Oh wow, you got a whole amp rack right here.
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner than before. This actually all cleaned up.
Can I see the trunk?
Yes.
Where's your amp? Oh, your amp's right here. Never mind. Oh wow, you got a whole amp rack right here.
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner than before.
Tell me your name, what's in here real quick, man?
Chris, got two EM Audio 3K12s on a DC Audio 3.5K, Avatar ATU 1000.4 on all the doors, EM Audio 6.5s in the doors, Mekman 270, all the goodies.
What are you wired to?
Half ohm.
And is that a 8-inch port?
Yeah, 8-inch port.
What is your tuning?
35.
35, okay. I really like the way the cone is on that sub.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Yeah, nice work. And it's really sealed off, so you don't have as much trunk flex, I'm sure. Nice job, man. You on team?
Team Retribution.
Team Retribution. All right. Awesome. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Chris's system. This was at the TDH show in Virginia of 2021. Team DroppinHz did a really good job showcasing it. Looking forward to showing y'all this really impressive dual 12-inch subwoofer system. This was actually his previous system video link. I went ahead and put in the description as well. That was the thumbnail. This is actually when he had two different type of 12s and a smaller Aeroport, and now he's running a 8-inch Aeroport with beefier. These are 3,000 watt RMS 12-inch subwoofers from EM Audio. Ran at half ohm on the 3,500 watt amp. I was really impressed to see how well he sealed off his trunk with the subwoofer box. And I do have a question for everybody. Do you prefer slot port or Aeroport? Looking forward to seeing what y'all say in the comment section. He ran an Aeroport, got the job done. Good amount of port area to cone area ratio, did really well. You'll see in the demo we're getting to. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way, and enjoy this demo. Really tearing up this vehicle. All right.
30, what is it, 35?
35?
So.
It does good there. Wow.
Yeah, the last couple videos we had, they weren't too great.
It's all good, man. Appreciate the demo, man. I really like the way the cone is on that sub.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Yeah, nice work. And it's really sealed off, so you don't have as much trunk flex, I'm sure. Nice job, man. Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Chris.
Chris. You on Team?
Team Retribution.
Team Retribution. All right. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.